Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how we can reduce the Gmail size and free up the some space on Gmail to avoid the storage full notification from the Google. So what happened multiple times, users are getting Gmail account full by the unwanted mails which they got in their Gmail. So we will try to delete the all unwanted mails from the Gmail at once. So for that, open any browser on your system. So I'll choose the Google Chrome. So open the Google Chrome and login with your Gmail account. So I have already added my bookmark Gmail account. So you will get this Gmail account home page. In the search box, you have to search unsubscribe. And after that you have to click on this show search option button. After clicking here, the unsubscribe will automatically goes under has the word, means which mail has the word unsubscribe, they will automatically short and just if you want to set a size, I will recommend don't click on anywhere else, just click here, set all mails and date within, click 1 year. Okay, and click on search, no, not in search, click on create filter, and here you have to click on apply label, choose label, new label, name the label, unwanted mails, create one label and click the last one, also apply filter for to 10 matching conversations, create filter. So filter is label is created here. If you click over here, so all mails which has the word unwanted will automatically show here. Okay, yeah, so just select all, delete all. If you delete directly from here, it will go in the trash, so you have to clear from the trash as well, because in trash it is consuming your space. So go to the trash, select all, click on empty trash now, click on OK. So your all unwanted mails has gone now, and you have to do it every week. So the all unwanted mails comes in that week, you can clear it all at one time. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more such content. Thank you so much.